In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the 4 things that will kill your motivation. Getting what you want out of your life comes down to being able to get yourself motivated to do the things that need to be done. Unfortunately, many of us tend to lose the motivation to accomplish our goals. It can be useful to know some of the things that can kill your motivation so that you can work to prevent it. Here are 4 things that will quickly destroy your motivation and keep you from succeeding. Forgetting your passions. Many people don't engage in activities that bring them joy because they believe they don't have the time or energy to do the things they enjoy. If you don't usually try to do what you love, start now. Get up early so you have the time to engage in an activity that you love. The result will be increased motivation and boundless energy. Doing things you find boring. Everyone has to do things that they dislike, from taking out the trash to cleaning the oven to going to work every day. It isn't the tasks themselves that make you bored, but rather your attitude. When you tackle a job with positivity, you can be enthusiastic no matter the work. Create an incentive for yourself to tackle the tasks you dread, focusing on upbeat thoughts. Spending time with negative people. Spending time with people who have a negative outlook on life will quickly kill your motivation. Their gloomy outlook can be infectious and can leave you grumbling and groaning about life. If at all possible, you should try to avoid these kinds of people. If you find that you have to be around them, resist the temptation to take up their feelings of negativity. Neglecting your health and well-being. It can be tough to stay motivated when you're tired, live on junk food, and argue with your partner every night. It is essential to look after your well-being and remain in good shape if you want to achieve success in your life. Exercising on a regular basis will boost your energy, as will eating nutritious food. Take care of yourself, and you'll soon notice an increase in your motivation. You might currently be suffering from a lack of motivation, but you can increase your enthusiasm with simple steps. Control your happiness and avoid these behaviors and beliefs that kill your motivation.